everybody, Siegfried's Restaurant Equipment. Reason for our little get-together today is to point out to you that proper maintenance on your equipment and checking it out, especially now that the summer hours will be coming in and you'll be doing your trucks and a lot of different events. The equipment, any piece of equipment, your convection ovens, your grills, your fryers, they should all be checked for the proper BTUs that they will be putting forth. If your pilots are too high, your burners aren't running correctly, that can cost you a lot of extra money in the long run. So proper maintenance, not only with things that are not working properly, but the things that you're using daily should be checked to make sure that they're under the proper BTUs and proper functions. Here at Siegfried's, we have certified technicians to take care of all your needs and make sure your equipment is working properly. So give us a call and we'd be happy to come out to your facility and instruct you on some of the things that you might be able to do to maintain proper maintenance and take care of your equipment. Thank you.